Hey YouTube, it's John with Workhouse Customs. I'd like to welcome you all back. If it's your first time here, please subscribe, hit that like button. We do appreciate it. I have been gone for quite a few months now. Trust me, I got a good excuse for that one. I was involved in a little accident back in July, and I was advised not to get on social media. So I do apologize if anybody did miss me. If not, let's carry on. Today we're going to go ahead and look at the old Grom Clone. We went ahead and did a little carburetor swap on it. I wanted to give the Nibbi carburetors a try. The last carburetor, as some of you might already know, it was the Clone. That was an upgrade from the stock carburetor and airbox, but this Nibbi here is perfect. All the modifications and everything we've done to this bike already have made it really reliable. The Nibbi just set it over the top. Highly recommend it, guys. I'm going to see if I can get the link for that carburetor in the description there. We're not going to film, we didn't film the installing of the carburetor, guys, just because it's pretty straightforward, plain and simple. Just a few bolts. Not much to it. Let's go ahead and get this thing cranked up for you guys. Started right up, guys. Quite a few of you guys asked me about the exhaust on this thing. I initially got it from Amazon. Basically all the mods and things I've done, it's a little windy out here today. All the mods and things I've done, I've gotten all the pieces, parts for this bike on Amazon. Hit me up in the comments if you guys ever want to know exactly what the parts were. I've recently searched. I haven't been able to find this exact exhaust, but I do love it. Anytime I get parts for this, I just type in a search for Honda Groms, and I've been pretty lucky so far with everything I've done. This exhaust does sound good though. Right now we still have the baffle in it. Let's take this thing for a little test ride, guys. We'll talk about the carburetor some more. Alright YouTube, we are back out here on the little Grom Clone, getting ready to take it for a test drive. Turn it on. Started right up, just like that. Alright, and we're off. Alright. Wow. I gotta say, YouTube, the throttle response is way better. This is gonna make a quick little short video today. Just figured I'd share the Nibbi Carb with you guys. I gotta say, guys, it makes this bike a lot more reliable. I'm gonna go ahead and highly recommend you guys get you a Nibbi carburetor for your Grom Clones. My bad, guys, I misshifted. User error. I gotta say, guys, I'm pretty impressed. Oh yeah. The Nibbi carburetor, definitely good for the Grom clones, guys. I can't tell you how many times I've struggled with other carburetors with this thing, just couldn't get it right. Now I think we got it. I think that's pretty much going to wrap up this video on the old Grom clone. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, please drop me a comment down below. Have a great day and ride safe, everybody. Hey guys, stay tuned next time. We're going to be unveiling our new mini moto. If you guys got any guesses, put them down in the comments below. Let me know what you think it is.